Morning, sweetie.
Good morning.
Morning, everybody.
We are off to climb to the viewpoint this morning. So hopefully it'll be a good climb and we won't run into any monkeys.
I know, or hopefully we do run into some monkeys and we teach those little bad boys a lesson.
It'll take about an hour to get to the top, a little over an hour. Cut through the jungle here in a minute.
Yep.
That jungle.
Yep. And there's where we're going. So, all right, Lonnie.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We made it to the beach. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this halfway?
About halfway. This
About
is
halfway.
the easy part though.
Oh man, watch out. Here we go, the easy part's over. These ropes all the way up here.
They have ropes, yeah.
Smart.
The whole way.
Cold for the past week, and this is the first amount of exercise I've had. Let's look at the sweat line right here. Having to take a bunch of stops. My wife, on the other hand, is just a rock star. Here we are on the Dong Island. We're at the third viewpoint, which is the last one. It's the best one, overlooking Koh Island, which is one of the southernmost Thai islands right before you get to Malaysia. We're staying over here around the corner at the Dong Island Resort, which we've had a wonderful time at. And
today we moved to Koh
yep.
And we're going right about there. Beautiful morning. Thankful to be in paradise. Ugh, you're all sweaty. Gross.
Yeah. What were you expecting?
Ugh.
So babe, although we're almost done with them, tell people what you put in your nut mix to make the best nut mixes. She does these custom exotic nut mixes, which are just to die for. Some people put M&Ms in them. My sweetie puts Skittles in them. I'm chewing on a Skittle right now.
In this one we have dried blueberries and different kinds of nuts, macadamia, peanuts, things like that. Mint Kit Kats, some Ghirardelli, mint,
salty,
chocolate,
sweet. There's a little bit of candy in there.
It's a great combination for traveling. So we carry that with us. It used to be that we'd carry a very small container, and now the container is like this big. But it saved us on so many occasions where we couldn't find food. So
yeah, it's cheaper and it's better. So we have two incredible things in front of us. We have it looks like a bald eagle flying up there. I wonder if you can see it. Here he comes. He's coming straight up there. See? Ah, he's incredible. Look at him. And then we also have a catamaran. It looks like a 40-footer like we're gonna have in there in the bay, cruising along between these two islands. Just making us think and dream further about 2 years from now when we're gonna have the boat called Blown Away. Okay guys, I know that y'all have been hoping this wouldn't happen ever when watching Blown Away, but now it's time for us to air our dirty laundry. Here's our morning spot. It's a nice little bench right here.
Against the brick wall.
Against the brick wall, and it's like a handmade brick, Thai brick. And then we're sitting here with our coffee. Cheers, sweetie. To a great climb. Thanks for being patient with me up there. Look at that beautiful carved door. And then right next to here is the jungle. So our hotel is basically in the jungle. And